Welcome, young explorers, to Curious Minds, the channel where learning is an adventure. I'm Professor Witty, and I'm here to take you on a journey through the fascinating worlds of social studies, science, history, and so much more. Are you ready to dive into the wonders of knowledge? Let's go! Hello, Curious Minds. Welcome to another exciting lesson with Professor Witty. Today, we're embarking on a cosmic journey through our incredible solar system where we'll explore the sun, the moon, and each of the fascinating planets that call this celestial neighborhood home. Get ready for a mind-blowing adventure in space. All right, let's kick off this exciting journey into space with the star of our solar system, the sun. Imagine the sun as the ultimate space superhero. Its main job? To be the light and heat source for all the planets, including our cozy home, Earth. Think of the sun like a gigantic, glowing ball of energy. It's so big that it's the boss of our cosmic neighborhood. So big in fact that 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. But that's not all. The sun is also a master chef. Deep inside the sun cooks up something special called nuclear fusion. This process creates the sun's own light and heat, powering up our solar system and making life possible. Did you know that the sun also has its own magnetic field? This magnetic field creates amazing solar phenomena like sunspots and solar flares. Sunspots are cooler, darker areas on the sun's surface, and solar flares are bursts of energy that can shoot out into space. It's like the sun has its own cosmic light show. As we wave goodbye to the radiant sun, our cosmic guide, let's venture forth into the mysteries of the rest of our solar system. With the sun's glow lighting our way, we'll explore the captivating stories hidden among the planets. Let's go! Now we move on to our Earth's faithful companion, the moon. Much like the sun that lights up our world during the day, our celestial buddy, the moon, lights up our night sky. There are more than 200 moons in our solar system. Most of them orbit planets and are held in place by gravity. But Earth has only one moon, and it is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. The moon is Earth's natural satellite, and it's about 1/16 of the size of Earth. It doesn't have its own light, but it acts as a mirror and it reflects the sun's light onto the Earth. The moon takes about 27.3 days to orbit Earth, and we see different shapes of it, which we call phases. But that is another lesson for another day. Before we turn our attention to other cosmic phenomenons in our solar system, we have to talk about the moon's gravitational pull and how it affects tides on Earth. Gravity is the force of attraction between two masses. In this case, it is the force between the moon and the Earth. The moon's gravitational pull causes tides on Earth. Tides are the rise and fall of water levels in the ocean. Tide changes occur when the moon is directly overhead and on the opposite side, creating a bulge. These bulges create high tides. As the moon moves further away from the Earth, the water level lowers and creates low tide. This same amazing gravity is also what contributes to the Earth's ability to remain stable on its axis. Isn't it incredible how a moon that is 1/16 the size of the Earth can have such a huge impact on our beautiful blue planet? Well, curious minds, this concludes our lunar exploration. Now join me as we venture onward into our magnificent solar system to uncover some of the marvelous mysteries of Mars. Let's go! Hey there, young explorers. Imagine a planet with a reddish glow like a giant rusty playground in space. That's Mars. It's the fourth planet from the sun, and we call it the red planet because its surface is covered in red dirt and rocks. The red-colored dirt is due to the presence of iron oxide, also known as rust, on its surface. Mars is a bit like Earth, but it's also a mystery waiting to be solved. It has the biggest volcano, Olympus Mons, and the longest canyon, Valles Marineris, in our whole solar system. Not only that, it has polar ice caps too. Mars has two small moons named Phobos and Deimos. They are irregularly shaped and are thought to be captured asteroids from the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. A day on Mars, known as a sol, is very close in length to a day on our lovely planet, Earth, lasting about 24.6 hours. But the year is nearly twice as long. Can you imagine waiting 2 years to celebrate your favorite holiday? Additionally, Mars has a thin atmosphere, primarily composed of carbon dioxide. The atmospheric pressure on Mars is only about 0.6% of Earth's, making it inhospitable for humans without life support systems. Despite Mars' inhospitable conditions, ongoing exploration seeks to unravel the mysteries and potential past or present life. Mars' unique characteristics make it a captivating focus for scientific study and future exploration endeavors. As we conclude our exploration of Mars, let's redirect our cosmic curiosity towards Venus, where a captivating tapestry of secrets and phenomena await. Let's blast off. Now, let's turn our attention to Venus, Earth's sibling in the cosmos. With scorching temperatures and swirling clouds of sulfuric acid, Venus invites us to uncover the secrets beneath its unique atmosphere. Come on, let's take a closer look. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet because it is similar in size but has distinct differences. For example, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. These extreme temperatures are due to its thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, which creates a greenhouse effect. Think of it like a giant blanket trapping in heat. Venus rotates much slower than our mother planet Earth. It takes Venus about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation on its axis. That's almost 8 full months. Also, Venus has a retrograde rotation, meaning it rotates backward compared to most other planets in our solar system. Also, Venus doesn't have moons of its own, and its surface is rocky with lots of volcanoes. It has a unique pattern of surface features called coronae, which are circular structures formed by the planet's interior processes. Did you know that Venus is often referred to as the evening star or the morning star? That's because it can be seen here from Earth just after sunset or just before sunrise, depending on its position in its orbit. Isn't Venus just fascinating? As we bid farewell to Venus, the planet cloaked in mystery and beauty, let's now turn our gaze towards the cradle of humanity. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore the wonders of our own planet Earth, where life flourishes and the intricate dance of ecosystems unfolds. Welcome, curious minds, to the next chapter of our cosmic exploration. Leaving the scorching realms of Venus behind, we now venture closer to home. Earth, our blue oasis in the vastness of space, teeming with life and geological marvels. Get ready to unravel the secrets of our extraordinary planet and discover the interconnected tapestry of nature that makes Earth a truly remarkable place to call home. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. It's a unique and fascinating place. Our planet is shaped by powerful forces like erosion, tectonic activity, and weathering. These forces in action have created a diverse surface with mountains, oceans, deserts, and more. Did you know that about 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water? We have towering mountains like the Himalayas and the Rockies, vast oceans like the Pacific and Atlantic, expansive deserts like the Sahara, and lush rainforests in places like the Amazon. These different landscapes provide habitats for countless plants and animals. Earth is incredibly special because it's the only known place in the universe with life, from tiny microorganisms to massive whales, and from the tiniest plants to towering trees. Our planet is a vibrant and interconnected ecosystem. Humans, with our cities, cultures, and societies, are just one part of this diverse tapestry of life. Now that we have touched on the unique intricacies of the Earth's diverse landscape, let's ascend into the realm of its atmosphere, where a different set of phenomena and conditions shape our planet's dynamic environment. Think of Earth's atmosphere as a shield that protects us. It's made up of different layers, and each layer is responsible for protecting the Earth in a different way. Let's take a closer look. The first layer is the troposphere. It is the layer closest to Earth's surface, and it is where weather events occur. It contains most of the atmosphere's mass and is crucial for sustaining life. The second layer is called the stratosphere. It is located above the troposphere, and it contains the ozone layer, which is essential for all life on Earth. The ozone layer absorbs and scatters harmful ultraviolet solar radiation. In addition to being the home of our ozone, commercial airplanes often fly in the lower stratosphere. The third layer is mesosphere. This layer protects Earth from meteoroids, causing them to burn up as they try to reach Earth. Temperatures decrease with altitude in this layer. Thermosphere is our fourth layer. It is the second outermost layer where the northern and southern lights, auroras, occur. This beautiful display is due to interactions with charged particles from the sun. Temperatures can reach extremely high levels here. Last but not least is the fifth and final layer of our atmosphere, the exosphere. It is the outermost layer, gradually transitioning into space. It is where atmospheric particles are so sparse that they can travel hundreds of kilometers without colliding with one another. As you can see, each layer plays a distinct role in Earth's climate, weather, and overall atmospheric dynamics. What an incredible planet we live on. Okay, young explorers, As we are approaching the end of our exploration of Earth, we cannot leave without discussing at least two final fascinating phenomena: the Earth's rotation and gravitational pull. The Earth's rotation is a spinning motion like a top, and it does this on its own axis. It takes about 24 hours to complete one full rotation, and this is where we get our day and night cycles. The force of gravity, which is stronger at the Earth's surface, keeps everything anchored to the planet, including the atmosphere that we just learned about. As Earth rotates, gravity helps maintain the balance between centripetal force pulling outward and gravitational force pulling inward. This rotation has a significant impact on various natural processes. As we leave Earth behind, we're headed to Mercury, a place of blazing heat and quick orbits around the sun. It's like going from a calm day to standing close to a cosmic bonfire. Get ready for a space adventure filled with sizzling temperatures and celestial wonders. Let's go! Mercury is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun in our solar system. It's a rocky, barren world with extreme temperature variations ranging from scorching hot to freezing cold. With little to no atmosphere, it has a desolate surface marked by craters, cliffs, and plains. Despite its challenges, Mercury has fascinated scientists due to its unique characteristics and the potential insights it provides into the early solar system. But here's where things get really interesting. Mercury has a peculiar rotation. Unlike most planets, it has a 3-to-2 spin-orbit resonance, meaning it rotates on its axis 3 times for every 2 orbits around the Sun. This results in a rather unconventional day-night cycle. Let's talk about Mercury's surface, a rocky terrain battered by countless craters. With minimal atmosphere, it's exposed to the harsh realities of space. No breath of air to soften the impact of space debris. It's a planetary ruggedness unlike any other. Now, when I said Mercury had extreme temperatures, I meant extreme. Mercury experiences scorching temperatures during the day, hot enough to melt lead, and bone-chilling cold temperatures at night. The lack of a substantial atmosphere means it can't retain heat, resulting in these wild temperature swings. Well, there you have it, young explorers. Mercury, a tiny but mighty planet with its own set of quirks and mysteries. From the blistering heat of Mercury, we voyage through space, passing asteroids to reach Jupiter, a giant planet with massive storms and mysteries of its own. Let's go! Welcome back to Curious Minds, where we embark on celestial adventures. Today, our cosmic journey brings us to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, a true giant among the planets. Prepare to be awestruck by the sheer size of Jupiter. This gas giant is so massive that it could fit more than 1,300 Earths inside of its voluminous sphere. Imagine a planet so colossal it dominates the cosmic stage. Now, let's delve into Jupiter's dynamic atmosphere. Its iconic bands of clouds, composed mostly of ammonia and methane, create a mesmerizing tapestry of colors. These atmospheric bands, with their swirling patterns, contribute to the planet's captivating appearance. No exploration of Jupiter would be complete without a mention of its most famous feature, the Great Red Spot. This colossal storm has been raging for centuries, making it a true giant among storms. It's so massive that it could engulf several Earths. Jupiter is not just about its size, it's also a cosmic powerhouse. Its powerful magnetic field is more than 14 times stronger than Earth's. Plus, it hosts a diverse family of moons, with some of them, like Europa and Ganymede, holding secrets that intrigue scientists. To understand Jupiter, we have to go back in time. Scientists believe it played a crucial role in the early solar system, influencing the formation and migration of other planets. Its composition, primarily hydrogen and helium, sets it apart from the terrestrial planets. Before we conclude our exploration of Jupiter, let me share a couple of mind-boggling facts. Did you know that Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets, completing a rotation in less than 10 hours? And despite its immense size, it doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. As we bid farewell to the colossal giant of our solar system, Jupiter, with its mesmerizing bands of clouds and swirling storms, we venture into the majestic realm of another celestial wonder, Saturn. Welcome to the next chapter of our cosmic journey as we explore the enchanting beauty of Saturn. Known for its stunning rings that grace the heavens, Saturn invites us to uncover the mysteries hidden within its celestial embrace. Saturn, the 6th planet from the Sun, graces our solar system with its enchanting presence. Its orbit around the Sun takes approximately 29 Earth years, and it resides in the outer reaches of our celestial neighborhood. Now, let's dive into what makes Saturn truly spectacular. Its iconic rings. These dazzling rings are not solid but are made up of countless icy particles and debris. Picture this, a breathtaking tapestry of ice and rock encircling the planet, casting a spellbinding spectacle in the cosmos. These rings aren't just for show. They consist of ice, dust, and rocky material, forming a complex and intricate system. Scientists believe that these rings might be the remnants of a moon or a comet that ventured too close and got shattered by Saturn's gravitational forces. Saturn is no lightweight in our planetary lineup. It's the second largest planet, boasting a diameter that could engulf more than 9 Earths. Beneath its gaseous outer layers lies a dense core, contributing to its impressive size and mass. Saturn doesn't travel alone in space, it has an entourage of moons and moonlets. Some of these moons are as fascinating as the planet itself. Titan, for instance, is larger than the planet Mercury and has an atmosphere thicker than Earth's. Before we leave Saturn and its captivating rings, let me share with you all a few more astonishing facts. Did you know Saturn is less dense than water? If we had an ocean large enough, Saturn would float. Also, its day is shorter than most planets, taking just a little over 10 hours to complete a rotation. Oh, and let's not forget about its 83 moons and moonlets. Isn't Saturn fascinating? As we bid farewell to the mesmerizing ring giant, Saturn, with its stunning rings and intriguing moons, we journey further into the depths of our solar system to explore the mysteries of another distant realm, Uranus. Let's go! Welcome to the mysterious realm of Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun. This icy giant, tilted on its side, invites us to uncover its unique features, from its unusual rotational axis to its captivating blend of icy compositions. Join us as we delve into the secrets of Uranus in our ongoing celestial odyssey through the solar system. Uranus is not your average planet when it comes to orientation. It spins on its side, rotating almost perpendicular to its orbital plane. This peculiar tilt gives Uranus a distinctive and somewhat mysterious character as it completes its orbit around the Sun. Unlike the gas giants, Uranus is an ice giant composed mostly of water, ammonia, and methane ices. Its serene blue hue comes from the absorption of red light by methane in its atmosphere, creating a beautiful and icy exterior that sets it apart in our solar system. Uranus isn't just a lone wanderer, it comes with a stunning set of rings. Though not as prominent as Saturn's, these rings add an extra layer of intrigue to the planet's cosmic allure. They're made up of dark particles, giving them a mysterious quality. Uranus's magnetic field is a real cosmic enigma. Unlike most planets, its magnetic field is tilted and doesn't align with its rotation axis. It's almost as if Uranus has a magnetic personality of its own, keeping scientists puzzled. Uranus has its own entourage of moons, each with its unique characteristics. The 5 largest moons are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. These icy moons add to the frozen beauty of this distant giant in our cosmic neighborhood. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of fascinating facts about Uranus. Did you know it was the first planet discovered with a telescope in modern history? Also, a day on Uranus lasts only about 17 hours, quite a contrast to its slow orbit around the Sun. Well, young explorers, as we bid farewell to Uranus, the tilted ice giant that never ceases to amaze. I hope you enjoyed our cosmic excursion. From its peculiar spin to the icy elegance of its rings, Uranus has proven once again that the outer reaches of our solar system are full of surprises. Now, as we venture deeper into the cosmic unknown, let's set our sights on the mysterious and majestic Neptune. Well, cosmic explorers, here we are, on our last stop of our celestial quest. Neptune beckons us to unravel its cosmic secrets, with its mesmerizing color, fierce winds, and intriguing storms. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on our last voyage through the mysteries of the 8th planet from the Sun. Neptune, the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun, boasts a mesmerizing deep blue color. This vibrant hue comes from the presence of methane in its atmosphere, creating a stunning visual spectacle that sets Neptune apart in our celestial neighborhood. Now, let's talk about Neptune's wild weather. This gas giant is known for its ferocious winds, some of the fastest in the solar system. Clocking in at over 1,000 miles per hour, these winds whip around the planet, creating dynamic and ever-changing atmospheric patterns. Neptune has its own version of a stormy character, the Great Dark Spot. Similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, this massive storm system swirls through Neptune's atmosphere, showcasing the planet's turbulent and dynamic weather patterns. Neptune may not have the grandeur of Saturn's rings, but it does have its own ring system. These dark and faint rings add an extra layer of intrigue to this distant giant. Additionally, Neptune's largest moon, Triton, is a captivating world of icy geysers and unique features. Beyond its visible features, Neptune holds magnetic mysteries. Its magnetic field is tilted and offset from its center, a cosmic puzzle that continues to intrigue scientists. The dynamics of Neptune's magnetic environment remain a subject of ongoing exploration. Before we wrap up, let me share a couple of fascinating facts. Neptune's day is relatively short, lasting about 16 hours, making it one of the faster spinning planets. Also, it was the first planet discovered through mathematical predictions rather than direct observation. Neptune, the eighth and farthest known celestial body in our solar system, remains a mysterious ice giant. With its stunning azure hue and turbulent storms, Neptune dances in the outer realms, captivating astronomers and dreamers alike. As we bid farewell to this distant enigma, may its swirling winds carry the echoes of cosmic wonders into the depths of our collective curiosity. Well, young explorers, alas, our great space expedition has come to an end. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through space. If you've enjoyed unraveling the secrets of our magnificent solar system, don't forget to click that like button. Subscribe for more exciting adventures and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our latest discoveries. Until next time, stay curious.